Hey everyone, welcome back to Start with 1000. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie and I'm taking $1,000 and seeing how far I can grow it over 10 years without adding another penny. Today, I'm going to discuss the portfolio for the month of September. I share exactly what's happening inside my small but growing investing experiment. Let's jump right into the numbers. I still own 3 shares of Centene. I bought them around $34.40, and right now the stock is trading around $35.79. That puts my position value at $107.37. That's about a 4% gain since I bought in. Centene now makes up about 10.5% of my portfolio. Now let's talk about what happened with Centene in the month of September. Last month, they reaffirmed their guidance at the Deutsche Bank Healthcare Summit, which was reassuring to me as a signal that the leadership still sees their trajectory as solid despite recent volatility in the healthcare sector. And we're all still aware that there's a bigger picture risk hanging over the industry at large, and that's the ACA subsidies, which are the financial assistance that helps many Americans afford health care coverage. These are still set to expire in December unless Congress takes action. On top of all of that, a couple of days ago, the U.S. government completely shut down as both parties really struggled to find the middle ground on the budget. Both of these factors could create some turbulence for managed healthcare companies like Centene in the coming months ahead. Still, with all of this going on, I'm comfortable holding my small position and just watching how the policy's playing out. Switching over to Grab, this company has had a rally recently. It even hit about $6.45 at its peak in September. But that rally actually led to a few downgrades in the month, including one from HSBC. Interestingly, HSBC downgraded Grab from a buy to a hold, but then they raised the price target from $6 to $6.20. Now, to me, the message is clear. Analysts see the company as fundamentally strong, and they think the company's valuation has stretched in the short term. And sure enough, the downgrade did have an effect. It cooled off the stock price a bit after its recent run. Now for me, I still believe long-term the story of Grab, its company is rooted in social impact, helping millions of people in Southeast Asia access transportation, payments, and financial services. The fundamentals to me are solid. Because of this, I'm just content holding steady for the future. I'm still holding on to my 20 shares. I bought them at $4.95, and right now, at this recording, Grab is trading around $5.90, giving me a position value of $118. And that is about a 19% gain since I purchased, making up about 11.5% of the portfolio. Now, let's talk about a company I'm watching closely, SOFI Technologies. Yeah, I'm one of those people too. I am all about financial independence, so when I saw their mission, it really did catch my attention. SoFi's mission is simple: to help people reach financial independence so that they can realize their ambitions. And I love that they define financial independence as not being rich, but getting to a point where your money works for the life that you want to live. And here's why I'm interested. Their ecosystem approach reminds me a lot of Grab. Once you're in, you really do stay engaged using their lending products, financial services, and even their tech platform. That ecosystem creates sticky customers the same way Apple's ecosystem keeps users loyal. CEO Anthony Noto brings tech leadership experience from Twitter. And while he's new to fintech, he knows how to scale a platform. As far as being an industry leader, the traditional banks are still king, but younger audiences are very distrustful of banks and are turning to companies like SoFi and Chime. The market is still wide open and no true leader has been crowned yet. Right now, SOFI is trading around $26, and for me, that's way too high. My personal buy target is closer to $15, and I'm willing to wait for a pullback before I take a position. And just like in my earlier video, 5 questions to ask before you invest, I believe SOFI passes the test on mission, leadership, business model, and long-term potential. It's just a matter of waiting for the right price. That's all I have for you this week. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe or like or comment. Until next week, take care of yourself. Bye.